próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, feliz Navidad, feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad, feliz Navidad, feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. ¡Ajá! Feliz Navidad, feliz Navidad, feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad.
We welcome you here tonight. We have a fantastic show put together, sponsored by Mr. Bilodeau. As you know, Mr. Bilodeau runs the music programs in both schools, and we are honored to have him here and all of the kids that have worked so hard to put tonight's performance together. Quickly, make sure please to turn off all cell phones or electronic devices at this time. Photography is okay during tonight's performance. We ask you to keep the interruptions to a minimum. And with that said, let me please introduce you to tonight's Masters of Ceremony, our very own Celicia and Sydney. Sydney, here we go.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Sounds of the Season program 2014. I'm Celicia.
And I'm Sydney. We're very glad you could all make it tonight. So before we begin, we have just a few reminders so that everyone can enjoy the show.
Excuse me, did you say a few reindeers?
No, actually I said reminders.
Oh, I thought you said reindeers, because I brought like every reindeer that I know, and we really thought we had a part in this.
Well, we don't really have anything for you this year. Maybe next year.
Oh, next year. That's okay, guys. We can wait till next year. If that's what's really best.
Thank you for attending this year. First up, we have Silk Lake Elementary and Preschool and Kindergarten singing the Reindeer Hokey Pokey.
Wait, we literally invented that song. We know that song. Right, guys? So what do you think, Kindergarten? Can we sing with you guys? All right, let's go, reindeer.
Silent Night.
Next up, we have Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, sung by the 2nd grade and the 3rd grade, featuring Madison Nielsen.
You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous
thank the reindeer for their colorful dance. We'd advise them in the future to stick to their reindeer names.
Next, we have 4th grade singing Deck the Halls featuring Avi Koslov and Ceci Ortega.
Great job, 4th grade. Next up, we have the middle school class playing Jingle Bells.
You know what is a good soccer stuff for this year?
Oh, I have something for that. You must be talking about Barney's beard wax, of course.
Introducing Barney's beard wax. Wiry beard? Patchy beard? No beard? No problem.
Toby here with the original Barney's beard wax. The fastest, easiest, safest way to shine your beard guaranteed. It's a and you just pull it in, it's that easy. Right? The beard will be shiny, silky, and smooth, luscious in no time. Take it from my friend here.
This model is guaranteed to make you grow beard in 1 week. Barney's beard wax is a muscle to tap the brain problems.
You ever had your boy in your beard?
No one messes with a beard with beard. Parents, they can't boss you around now that you're a man. Homer, no problem.
The secret is in the patented formula. Based off the ancient techniques used in China for thousands of years.
You get it in your eyes, and then tears will shed tears of joy. Manly. In this age of imitation beards, phony generic beard wax, just don't cut it. Barney is the only choice. For a limited time only, get $10 for the price of one. Call 1-800-BEARD. That's
job. Okay.
Okay. Next, the reindeer will sing the 12 Days of Christmas for you while the high school is getting set.
First day of Christmas, my good friend gave to me a knob to adjust my TV. Thanks, Ron.
Always.
On the second day of Christmas, my good friend gave to me 2 napkins. Okay, whatever. Thanks.
You bet.
On the third day of Christmas, my good friend gave to me 3 French fries. Thanks, Phil.
No problem. My name's Rudolph, not Bill.
On the 4th day of Christmas, my good friend gave to me 4 comic books. Thanks, Phil.
Glad to do it.
On the 5th day of Christmas, my good friend gave to me 5 dozen eggs. Thanks, Rudolph.
Don't mention it. Ever. At all.
On the 6th day of Christmas, my good friend gave to me 6 greasy rags. Thanks.
Always, pal.
On the 7th day of Christmas, my good friend gave to me 7 soggy sweatshirts. I'm sorry.
7 soccer sweatshirts.
But I live in a box. It doesn't help.
Oh, I'll remember that next year. I'll send you Christmas cards.
At least remember. Sweatshirt.
You're not getting anything else.
On the 8th day of Christmas, my good friend gave to me 8 bucks for milkshakes. Thanks, Rudolph.
You can always use those for milkshakes. Otherwise, how would you make the milkshakes?
On the 9th day of Christmas, my good friend gave to me 9 dirty dustbins. Thanks, Rudolph.
Always, always.
On the 10th day of Christmas, my good friend gave to me 10 weeping lizards. That's what I always wanted.
High five. No? Or do you want to visit? You great box.
On the 11th day of Christmas, my good friend gave to me 11 pies for pitching. That's five.
Dump trucks. Once again, thanks.
Always. Now let's see. If I've got this right, that's 12 dump trucks dumping, 11 pies for pitching, 10 leaping lizards, 9 dirty dustpans, 8 mugs for milkshake, 7 softy sweatshirts, 6 greasy rags, 5 rusty nails, 4 comic books, 3 French fries, 2 napkins, and a knob to adjust my TV. I always have to be on the clock.
I'm the principal here at Soap Lake Elementary, and I just want to thank all of you for coming out and supporting the students at Soap Lake Elementary. We are Soap Lake School District. We appreciate that. I also need Mr. Billadu over here. Mr. Billadu, it's hard to put together a performance with elementary students, but he went ahead and included the middle school and the high school guitar and also the music tech class, and I know that takes a lot of time and dedication on your part, and we appreciate that. Thank you.
It's just such an honor to be out here with you guys. It's just really great. I'm having a wonderful time. Get to deal with students like Jared and Klein, Alicia Klein, and just everybody in music tech, and all the guitar students, middle school guitar. Everybody's put in a lot of time and effort, and it really shows. You know, you get wonderful students to work with like this. And I just feel very blessed to be out here. Thank you guys.
In conclusion, which reindeer is most likely to be an NFL linebacker? Blitzen. Thank you for coming.
You guys drive safe. Good night.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad.
Go on, Mark. Get into your ballet skills.
Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
So now that you're a celebrity, has the paparazzi been chasing you?
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Hey, hey, feliz